What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today I got a cool little thing in this box right here that I think you guys are gonna enjoy if you guys are into detailing your car. Now I have my 2018 BMW M4 right here, and this tool is gonna work for cleaning wheels. Yes, I know that's everyone's like favorite thing to do is clean off just all of this, oh my god, just this horrible brake dust that we build up on these things. I mean, it comes with the territory. These brakes are freaking massive on this car, but you know, getting in there, getting into these tight nooks and crannies can be interesting to keep your wheels looking nice and clean. We got a new little product here. Unbox this real fast. I've been seeing this on Instagram a little bit, and it seems pretty dang cool. I actually got two of them here, and oh yeah, also got some of these nice little washing mitts from them as well. But it is called the Woolly Wormit, the original Woolly Wormit. And what else does it say? Hey, get me out of here. I want to start cleaning your wheels. All right, that's kind of funny actually. I like that. Okay, so we'll get into this box here. Now, what's really cool about this tool is it's just very innovative on the design. So I'll show you a couple of the things. Like, for example, this right here. This is a holder for the lug nut cleaners. So there's a little piece of foam that we'll find in here in a second. Multiple pieces of foam actually. It came with a bunch. So it came with all of this stuff. We got multiple little pieces here, and we got two of these little red guys. So you can see here, there's not like really a handle or anything. This is actually like where the lug nut cleaner goes. You can also remove this. So this inner piece here, or the outer piece I should say, is removable so that you can wash it and you can clean it. But the internal piece is a nice little piece of kind of rubberized stuff. What is really neat about that, like no other wheel brush does, is it allows you, see that? You can bend the brush to get into the nooks and crannies. Now this little guy here, this is, like I said, for the lug nut cleaner. So we'll go ahead and put one of those on here. A lot of people see this piece of foam here and they think I gotta rip out this little middle piece because it does kind of have this kind of cut middle piece here, and people just rip that out. That is not necessary. What you actually want to do is you just want to slide this guy on here. When our wheels are wet, is allow us to clean, see this? We put it on there. I mean, even with it not wet, you can see it does a good job where it's gonna take that and you can kind of just clean up your whole lug nut. Super, super cool, super innovative design. But let's get the wheels wet. The one thing that the creators told me about this that is really cool is that they kind of designed this to where you don't need to use chemicals on your wheels. That's the idea. We all know that we can put chemicals on our wheels, but every time we do that, well, it's costly. So we have that. Sometimes that can break down some of the coatings that you have on your wheels. So you have your wheels ceramic coated. The more times you use that, the quicker the ceramic coat is gonna wear off. And then just all together, speed, I mean, this is gonna be pretty dang fast. So what we're gonna do is wet the wheel down. Gonna use this Woolly Wormit on this bad boy and see how it does. Also, something I forgot to mention, these little red pieces, one is for big lug nuts and one is for small lug nuts. So depending on the size of your lug nut, you're gonna wanna pick the appropriate piece here. But it's super cool. Also kind of acts like a handle, but as you can see, this thing is like really long, so what it's gonna be able to do is get in the whole barrel of the wheel. So let's spray this down. All right, so my hose is king. King toes. Also water pressure not very high, because what I want to show kind of just how good this works without using like a ton of water or using a pressure washer, because honestly I usually use a pressure washer first on my wheels. But, you know, to get a good sample and, you know, unbiased test kind of here without a pressure washer, I want to see how easily it washes stuff. So, in between the brake rotor and wheel, all right, I can go pretty dang deep. I can't go fully. Now, that is because my wheels, in comparison to my brakes are massive, like I said. You'll probably be able to get in there. So I can't get all the way back, but that's okay. not a big deal. As far as this area goes though, man, I can get the whole freaking barrel, which is awesome. That's really easy to get to also. Gets in there pretty deep. Oh yeah. That's super nice, like getting the backside of the wheel right here, like the rim. Watch, I can kind of just bend this right here. And would you look at that? I'm getting that little area behind my wheel. It's always really kind of hard to clean. And yeah, you can just kind of conform this however you want, which is super cool. Also, it's gonna get into these tight areas, so like these blades in here. Look at that, I'm getting the whole blade area. Oh yeah, that's really awesome. So yeah, let's just play some music here. Watch me clean this wheel up with only water. Honestly, some soap would probably be good too. But this is working. This is definitely working here. And the idea behind this too is that it's supposed to be decently quick as well. So that is always nice. Any sort of tool that speeds up washing time, I am a fan of. Also, I should probably be wearing gloves, but I'm not right now. That's another good benefit too, to being able to just kind of use this, is that, you know, you're not having to like, you should wear gloves, but you're not having to spray nasty chemicals and like get them all over your hands and stuff. So that is cool. I've used always before is just kind of like a chemical guy's tire brush, which honestly doesn't really work that well. Pretty much the only thing it was okay at was cleaning my lugs, and I just say okay because it didn't really get in there very deep or very good. This is cool because it's like conforming to the wheel, which is really awesome. I definitely like that. It's definitely the best brush that I've used. If you guys have some like intricate wheels, these ones are not that intricate, but if you have intricate wheels, man, this is a pretty dope brush. I'm digging it. I can get the brake caliper pretty easily. That's cool. Now when I put 18s on this car, I will say my brake clearance will be even less. 18s are basically the smallest wheels you can put on here, but 18s are beneficial on this car because, well, tires are a little bit cheaper. You also get a little bit more sidewall, which gives you a little bit more cushion. And then also you're gonna have lighter wheels in general, and you will have that flywheel effect where basically the wheel will be an inch smaller. So like the flywheel effect is it always takes something that is larger in like around this, kind of like a you know, like a ballerina when they have their arms out. It takes them longer to slow down than it does if they have their arms tucked in, right? I mean, they could speed up or slow down faster. What I should say is it's harder to slow, what is it? I don't know, it's a flywheel effect. I hope you kind of get what I'm saying there. But it takes longer to get that thing in motion, and it takes longer to stop it if it is a bigger circle or bigger diameter. So interesting. I'm really happy with the water only results on this. Like honestly, I missed probably a few spots. I usually like to just kind of dry my wheels off with a microfiber, and I just hit all those last little areas. But man, this is a totally cool tool. I really like it. I definitely recommend it. I have a link down below if you guys want to check that out. It does help out the channel a little bit. It's a little bit of an affiliate link. But honestly, I'm giving you my full opinion on this thing, and this is freaking sick. I would definitely recommend it to pick one up and try it out for yourself. So thanks a lot for watching. We will talk to you guys soon. Later, and wrench on, guys.